So if you have an AR9 and you planning on installing a Armaspec sound mitigation buffer on your AR9, and if you have one of these bolt carrier groups, not sure what this is, but you see that little hex screw right there, right? It holds in that weight. So what you want to do, get your hex, remove these little screw that's in here. You remove that little screw. Oh, and I lost it. And you drop the weight. So see how it's hollow inside? When these spring, or when you rack the gun back, when you rack the gun, that rod comes out. So in order for it to do its thing, you must remove the weight that goes in here, because if not, you won't be able to, that rod won't be able to come out and push the bolt carrier back and forth, because you have the weight preventing it. So remove the weight. If you have this type of bolt carrier group, I think all of them have the weight. Remove the weight. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it. All right, so I was having the issue where I couldn't rack it back, and I was like, wait, that's strange. I should be able to rack the gun. So to install it, you want to put that rubber piece or plastic polymer piece and this big old weight to the front, because when you cock the gun back, it will go back and forth. So drop it in. It's called the drop-in sound mitigation buffer from Armaspec. So yeah, all right. I messed it up. It's alright. So let me see if I can stand these better over here. Oops. Don't forget to unlock your pins. Okay. No. Huh? Yo creo, yo te aviso. Alright, one more thing, guys. Don't forget don't forget to install your bolt carrier group in order for your gun to work. Wow. I actually like that better than the standard. Yo, my shit's drier than the Sahara Desert, but I don't know. I think that shit needs some lube. You feel a little tough when you're pulling it. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, feels different than the regular carbine and buffer weight system, whatever you want to call it. Feels way different. I don't know, my shit's dry as shit though. So now all I will have to do is test this bad boy out. So I don't know. So I got me a little buffer tube system, but I also got me a brace for you internet Navy SEALs and shit. Alright, got me a little shark fin. For it. So I dig it. I fucking dig it. Trying to adjust the shark fin right here. So there it is, the shark fin for the AR9. I actually dig it like that, man. I'm not gonna lie, this shit looks badass with a little shark fin in there.